A small group of people had a big idea: evolve an entire industry by investing in its people. Offering not just a job, but a career, with structured career paths and opportunities for advancement. Even the chance to reach the pinnacle, ownership. And in doing so, Groundworks has changed what it means to be in the skilled trades industry. Respect, passion, and commitment for everyone is at the heart of Groundworks. And it works. Because of the tribe's efforts, we are proud to announce we have made the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing companies in the U.S. again, for the 5th year in a row. And that small group that started in Virginia Beach has grown nationally to over 4,000 strong. And we're only getting stronger. Groundworks.